Anybody else thirsty? Hi guys, welcome to Feeling for Rich. This is Kylie Wood here coming at you from Colorado. Today we're going to be talking about how to drink more water. So, the ways that I get myself to drink more water is, first of all, I actually drink water. The more water you drink at first when you're dehydrated, the more water that you want to drink, because your body is wanting to replenish all of that water that you have lost throughout the weeks, years, months, however long that you've been dehydrated for. And so what you first want to do is you first want to drink small amounts, super frequently. So just sip water as super often throughout the day, and you will find that when you sip water, your body is like, ooh, I want some more of that. That stuff is good. That makes me feel good. And so you don't want to stifle that water craving. You want to replenish it and give your body what it wants, because then it will get more hydrated and you'll feel so much better. Some of the ways that I was getting more hydrated throughout the day when I was first starting to drink more water. Before, when I was not drinking as much water, I was only drinking like 2 glasses of water every day. It was really bad. But when I started drinking more, I started feeling so much better. And the problem was that I couldn't get myself to remember to drink water. I would get so caught up in the daily activities of life that I wouldn't remember, and I needed a little bit more motivation to do that. And so I actually started using this great app. It's called Plant Watering something. I'll look it up. I don't remember what it's called. Okay, I just looked it up and it's called Plant Nanny, and it is like the best water app in the entire world. Not only does it remind you to drink water, I think like every 2 hours or something like that, it also motivates you to drink water, because every time you drink water, you get to water this cute little plant and like this cute little flowering pot that you get to pick out. You get to pick the plant that you want, and you get to pick the flowering pot, and it is just the most adorable thing in the entire world. You water it and it grows and it becomes this beautiful plant, and it's really rewarding to think that you can, as you're hydrating yourself and making you feel good and growing and being healthy, you can actually be growing and seeing that growth through watching a little plant on your phone. And it is just so much fun. I don't know about you, if that's your thing, if you like to do that, or if you like to see that or whatever, but that it works for me. So hopefully that will help you guys out. Another thing that helps me to drink more water is my super awesome half-gallon water bottle. I actually got it at Target. It was pretty cheap, wasn't too expensive or anything like that. I'm sure you can get more expensive ones if you wanted a nicer one, but it's a Powerade water bottle, and it's insulated, and it has a little handle that you can carry it around, and it's like, yeah, it's super awesome. It keeps your water cool all day long if you're one of those people that likes your water super cold. I'm not a person that really likes cold water, or it's so yeah, but anyway, so the other way that I like to get myself to drink more water is I have it right next to me all the time, because I tend to get lazy if I'm like sitting somewhere, or if my water bottle's across the house and I'm doing something on the other side or something like that. I'm too lazy to get up and go and get water, and so I like to have my water right next to me so that if I get thirsty, I can just go over, stick my hand out, get some water, and I can feel better. I don't know about you guys if you're that lazy, but I'm that lazy, so hopefully that helps you guys. I have a blog post about water and some of the ways that you can get more water into your body and get thirsty. Some people, when they're dehydrated, most people when they're dehydrated, they stop feeling thirsty. That thirst mechanism doesn't really work as well, because when you are not drinking enough water and you keep depriving your body of water, your body starts telling you that it needs water, and it just works with what it has, and that is not a good thing, especially if you are surrounded by water that you can just go over and get. So I have created a blog post that gives you some clinically proven tips on how you can get that thirst feeling back and drink more water, having that desire to drink more water and getting more motivated, stop being as lazy, all of that stuff. So if you want to read that, would I'm sure that would probably help you a lot. If you like this video, you can subscribe, you can like, and tell me that I need to be making more videos like this. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.